Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to be discussing embroidery errors. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's get into these embroidery errors. Okay, so I'm working on a project and the trimming sensory error keeps popping up. So I'm trying to figure out what it is and why do I keep getting this error. So let me show you how you can basically clean out your machine on your own. It is so simple if you just keep watching. So here it is, this trimming sensor error. Okay, guys, now you know when you're working on a major project like this one is going to take 71 minutes. Look at that. And that's just to show you how it's going to keep switching out the threads. But it's actually going to take 106 minutes. So who wants to receive an error when working on such a big project? But I did. So let me show you how you can go in and fix this error. Now, mind you, this is my first time fixing my own machine on my own. I normally take it to a sewing machine shop and let them do all the hard work for me. But today, I wanted to show you how you can basically find your error on your machine. You have to know your machine. So, what I did was I opened the bobbin cage and I'm looking. I sprayed some air in there to see if maybe that was it. Maybe some thread is caught up in the bobbin cage. So look at that. So what I did, basically, I pushed all the lint and the dust into the back of the bobbin cage instead of pulling it forward, which that was another mistake. Instead of pulling it forward, do not use your air unless you are spraying on the top of your machine to clean off lint and dust, not inside of the bobbin cage, because it was actually making the lint caught into the bobbin machine. Okay, so here goes. Now that I have cleaned out the machine, I've cleaned out the dust, I start the machine up again and I keep getting the error. What could possibly be the cause for my machine not going? So, of course, I'm in a panic because I do not want to load up this heavy machine. So, I look in the machine again. I see, okay, it's some thread in there. It is a few pieces of thread, right? This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's only a few pieces of tiny threads just in the machine. So look at that. More lint. Not even lint. There's stabilizer in there. Few pieces of stabilizer that have got caught up in the machine. But I'm working, y'all. I'm looking and I'm trying to see what it is that I can do to make sure that I get this fixed. That I am able to successfully get my machine back up and running on my own. Just do me a favor if you haven't already. Like and subscribe. Okay, so here we go. Let's get into this cleaning of the machine to figure out how to get the trimmer error corrected. So here I You can am find now. them I at have any my sewing tweezers. It's a supply sewing store. tweezer. I can have the details later in the description. Okay, so here we go. Step one, be patient. There you go. There goes the thread. See where I thought it was only a few pieces? There's more. Who would think that you would have so much thread in the back of your machine? Because it automatically cuts the thread while you're working. So you think that, of course, it's going to fall out somewhere. But no, not knowing that it's trapped in the bobbin cage. So yes, I'm still pulling out thread, still pulling out the clip thread from every design that I have done in my machine since having it last serviced. It's really important to get your machine serviced maybe 2 times a year, 2 to 3 times a year. It just depends on how busy you are with your machine. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here we go. Look at all of that. All of this thread came out of my machine.
Pulled out,
it came out of
making the timer
bobbin
system
cage.
error.
So that's why you have to have patience. If you want to be able to do this at home, which you can for yourself, you just have to have patience and be okay with cleaning it yourself. So let's get back into this design. Okay, so thank you for watching. Tune in for the next video where I show you the complete design from this mistake from your favorite embroidery lady. Bye.